Hi everybody, today I show you how to boil the rice noodle. This is here. That's this type of rice noodle. I put the water to boil, and then now I add the dry noodle in. Just leave there. Okay, and you just chop it or something to make it submerged to the water, and just leave here. If you want to add a little cooking oil in here, that's okay. So the noodle won't stick together. But usually I don't. Okay, just let it slide this, and then when you see it's kind of soft, and when you use the chopsticks you can break it. That is the time you need to turn off the stove, the cook pot, and then just leave here a little bit, depend on how what happened to the noodle that time. If it's too soft, you have to take it dry away. If it's not really too soft, you can leave that a little bit longer, and then you take it out. And before I usually wash through the cold water, but now I don't, because it seems like, I think when we cook and we kill all the butter, anything stuck on virus or something. But if you wash through the cold water, probably something in the cold water, you never know. So I choose not to wash again with the cold water. So just there, and just wait a little bit, and it will be soft. Okay, just leave there. Okay, here it's ready. Have to turn it off. Here you can see I got the noodle as a break like that. It's ready, so I turn it up. Just I like to leave it. I can't take it out right now. I just leave a little bit more. Okay, this time noodle somehow is kind of starchy. Here, too much starch. I think I need to wash through the water, cold water, to clean it. If it's not too many starch, the water clear, you don't need to wash it through the water. But the thing, you see, this is kind of cloudy, so many starch. I have to clean through the water. I can use with cooked water or cold water. It's depend on what I want, but I try to cold water first, and then I go through with the hot water. Okay, I'm done. So after I wash the cold water, and I just wash with the hot water again. That's hot water I boil because I boil hot water for something, so I have extra, so I use this. And here is finally the noodle. And now you just stir fry beef or pork, whatever, and then you eat with the noodle. Okay, that's not difficult. And so just bring the hot water, the water to boil water to boil the water when it's boiling, and then add the dry noodle in, and then let it cook for a little bit. And when it's you can use a chopper or something like break the noodle. It's just broken, and turn this off, and then wash it with the hot water, and then we wash with the hot water, and then here. Alright, thank you for watching. Bye. See you next video. Bye.